Hey everyone. In the first part of this video, I just wanted to show you what the inside of my central brass utility faucet looks like, so you know what to expect when opening it up. And now I'll just show you what the cartridges look like. This cartridge is made by Central Brass. You can see it says Central on this side. And it's currently in the open position. You can see the opening there for the water to go through. And each cartridge comes with a rubber washer that goes on the seat that you saw at the beginning of this video. And when you screw the cartridge in, this back face here, it pushes against the rubber washer on the seat so that there's a seal. And the cartridge also comes with a plastic ring that goes between the cartridge and the faucet. And this plastic cap part, it comes off, by the way, if you want to look inside the cartridge. But there's really no need for you to take it off. But here's what one of those looks like when you take it off. And here's another cartridge or valve stem with the plastic cap removed. And so when you turn the handle, which connects right here, the plastic plug on the end moves back and forth to open and close the hole in the cap. And also you have this this nut, or this hex face right here, that you can turn to tighten it if your stem is leaking, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it as far as how this faucet works. So now I'll just show you what the faucet looks like with the cartridges installed.